how are you? I hope so you are good. At your home, let's start science class 3rd. Chapter 2, Parts of a Plant. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to name the different parts of plants, list the function of each part. We see many types of plants around us. They are different shapes and size. Let us learn more about the parts of plants. Parts of plants. Flower, this is flower. Bird, this is bird, मतलब कली. Fruits, this is fruits. Leaf, पत्ती. Stem, this is stem. Root, दिस इज़ रूट. ये आपके पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट्स हैं. आपके जो ये ऊपर वाले पार्ट्स, मतलब ये जो ऊपर वाले पार्ट्स हैं, ये वाले पार्ट्स, ये हैं शॉर्ट सिस्टम. और ये जो आपका रूट्स है, ये है रूट सिस्टम. ए प्लांट्स इज मैनी डिवाइडेड इन टू पार्ट्स. 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया है. ए रूट सिस्टम, बी शॉर्ट सिस्टम. Shoot system, this is shoot system and this is root system. A root system, the parts of the plant that grow below the ground is called root system. Root is the underground parts of the plant. Root fix the plants in the soil. Roots होती है आपकी जड़. This is roots मतलब जड़. Roots are many of 2 types. Tap roots. A tap root has one main thick roots. Many small roots grow from the main roots. The main roots grow straight down the earth. Other branching roots and roots here grow sideways. Plants like bean, pea and mustard have tap roots. Bean roots, pea roots, मस्टर्ड रूट्स, ये हैं आप हमारी टैप रूट्स. कौन सी? टैप रूट्स. फाइबर रूट्स. व्हेन ए नंबर ऑफ रूट्स ग्रो फ्रॉम द एंड ऑफ द स्टेम इट इज़ कॉल्ड फाइबर रूट. इट इज़ विशी इज appearance. Plants like onion, wheat, rice and grass have fiber roots. Onion roots, wheat roots, grass roots. ये जो होती हैं, ये थोड़ी थोड़ी एक दूसरे में मैच होती हैं, मतलब सेम सी होती हैं, जो होती हैं हमारी फाइबर रूट्स. फंक्शन ऑफ द रूट्स. रूट्स फिक्स द प्लांट्स firmly into soil. Roots provide water and mineral to the plants which is the absorbed from the soil. It's some plants like radish, carrot and beetroots. The food prepared by the plant is stored in the root. Shoot system. The parts of the plants that grow above the ground is called shoot system. Shoots, brains is the stem, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Fruits have seeds in them. Stem. Stem is the main part of the shoot system. Is grow above the soil. It hold the plants upright. Is the support is branches. It is also bear leaves of the buds. Some stem are modified to store food. Potato, ginger and sugarcane are modified stem. The stem of big trees and hard, strong and woody. They are covered with a thick bark. This type of stem called trunk. Trees like banyan, neem have trunks. Some stem are thick but soft. For example, the stem of banana tree. Some stems are very delicate. They need some support to climb up with the help of tendrils. Such plants are called climbers. Pea money plants are example of climbers. Leaves. The leaves is the most important parts of the plants because it produces food for the whole plant's. Leaves are generally green in color. The flat and broad parts of the leaf is called leaf. A blade in the middle of the leaf or main leaf. Many small leaves branch from the main vein. The leaves get water through these leaves. Stalk hold the leaf to the stem. Parts of leaf. This is leaf. ये लीफ के पार्ट्स है. स्ट्रोमेटा. दिस इज स्ट्रोमेटा. लीफ ब्लाइड, साइड वीन, मेन वीन. ये जो है साइड वीन और ये अब पार्ट जो है ये है मेन वीन. Flower, fruit and seeds. Flowers grow from small buds on the stem. Flowers are different color, shapes and size. Most flower have specific scent. Can we recognize a rose from its smell? Yes, no. Some flower grow it into fruit. Which is your favorite fruit? Most of fruits have seed inside them. A seed contains a baby plant inside it. When a seed is planted in the soil and get water air the sunlight, it grow into the new plant. The process of development of a new plant of a seed is called germination. Germination of a seed. So let's start exercise. Option A, tick the correct option. 1. The part of the plants that grows under the ground is A. Shoot system, B. root system, C. germination. This answer is B. Root system. 2. What holds the plants firmly in the soil? A. Leaves, B. shoot, C. root. This answer is C. Roots. 3. Fruits are formed from A. leaves, B. seeds, 3. C. flowers. This answer is B. seeds. So स्टूडेंट, ऑप्शन ए आपको अपनी बुक में फिल करना है एंड ये आपको अपनी नोटबुक में भी करना है. थैंक यू.